everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is MSAWEBB. I go by that on all platforms, which will be linked down below. And I'm a reseller on POSHMARK, eBay, Mercari, and Etsy. And on this channel, you'll find everything dealing with reselling, from what sold videos to hauls, some unboxings, and tips and tricks along the way. Today's video is in my new Thredup series. I did one previously that I'll link above, I think around December, January. And I decided to do another one. They're very popular, and I really enjoy making these videos just because I enjoy opening them and being surprised what's in them, and I just really like it. I mean, they can be duds, and it's obvious by my expression because I don't have a good poker face, but I think it's good to see both the good and bad. So this time around, I'm doing 4 so far, and I did a mixed women's clothing box, a shoe box, a purse box, and a denim box. So I've already filmed the mixed women's clothing and the shoe box. I'm pointing because they're actually around me. And now I'm going to do the handbag box today. I don't have the denim box yet, but that'll be coming soon. Okay, so I made the orders all on the same day, which was June the 25th, and 2 of the boxes arrived yesterday, including the one I'm about to unbox, the handbag box, and it arrived on July 3rd, and so that took 8 days. The handbag box was pricier than I believe it was last time. This is $90 for 10 handbags, so that's $9 per bag, which is more than I would buy at my thrift store, but I don't often find handbags at my thrift store, so I don't know. This is mostly fun for me. I know it's a good way to source if you don't have a lot of thrift stores or, you know, just not a lot of options. I just really like making these videos and unboxing the boxes. But, you know, generally I have good luck with them and I do resell them. But okay, let's get down to the video and do some handbags. Okay, so this box actually did not come in a Thredup box. It just is a brown box that they have sorry, that's my dog. That they have a big sticker that just says up on it. It doesn't even say Thredup, it's just up. This was a weird situation. So I got a call and it was a neighbor of mine. This box was delivered to her house and it actually has her address on it. It has my name, but her address, which I looked at the order. I put my address in all of them. I don't know why I'd put somebody else's address anyway, but it got shipped to her house with her address. That's just weird to me. But anyway, this box was from Pennsylvania. I know people like to keep track of that. Okay, so handbags. Like I said, $9 a piece. But anyway, let's start. Okay, whoa. Okay, this is a Franco Sarto bag, which is normally, you know, I find the shoes. I don't often pick them up, and I've never actually seen one of their handbags. But yeah, this is, gosh, that's very jingly. Oh, it can clip off. So it's like, can be for your keys. I'm just gonna take that off because that's annoying. It's like a white leather bag, Franco Sarto, but then it has this like floral, kind of almost Vera Bradley style, but not Vera Bradley style inside. Lots of pockets. Good little travel bag. Yeah, but it's relatively clean. I'll probably have to clean up the outside. It's a little dingy, but you know, I could throw this up. Just check in, make sure there's no money. I'm sure Thredup probably checks these very thoroughly, but you never know. Could happen. Teddy's just wandering around. I think she likes the new smells. Yeah. Anyway, this has a lot of pockets and compartments, so good bag for that. Okay, this kind of looks like a bag I already got before. But it's just this dusty pink bag, and oh, look, and it has a crossbody and tote. So you can do both. I don't know what brand it is. If it has brand, let's see. Oh no. Okay. All right. No, something like. Oh, it's BDG. BDG is sold at. Is it Buckle or Urban Outfitters? I think it's Buckle actually. So just a cool dusty pink bag. Yeah, and the inside is really clean. I don't think these are real leather, the straps, but yeah, not a bad bag at all. Be a really good laptop bag, actually. So if these don't have good comps, might be keeping it. I do really like purses. I used to be really bad about buying purses all the time. And now I'm just kind of really bad about buying Dooney and Burke all the time. I counted yesterday. I think I have 19 Dooney and Burke bags. That's why you never see them on thrift hauls, because if I find the vintage all-weather ones, I keep them normally. Okay. Oh my gosh, really? No. Is this a Brahman bag? Really? That is really surprising. Okay, we got a little shoulder Brahman bag that looks really good. Wow, these are really expensive bags and have pretty good resale value if they're in good condition. Oh, wow. So I'm like really, and it has like the tag, so I'm pretty sure this is legit. Okay. Well, it feels very nice on the inside. It's got like a suede inside. Okay, well, that's exciting. This will definitely sell. Yeah, it has like a, like a snake skin outside. Oh, I'm really excited about this, guys. This is a good one. I like that. Okay, that might pay for the whole entire box, depending. Okay, somebody's adding something to their order. Anyway, so I've got a backpack, like a legit backpack. Okay, this is Saturday Surf NYC. I don't know what that is. But yeah, it's a really nice backpack. It's like an army green canvas style. And that might be leather at the bottom. Yeah. It's very clean. Very like happy about how clean the inside of these bags have been. Because as you know, these are DIY boxes, so they can come out really, they're flawed items. So, but you don't know like how flawed, but yeah, these are in really good condition. Wow. Okay. So cool. That's cool. I don't know anything about that brand, but that looks really nice. Okay. So then we have a Cuba bag. Oh, this is nice. It's a little crossbody bag. This is the brand Cuba. I don't know what that is. How do you open this? Oh, it's in the front. I thought it was going to be like a pop, but no. Okay. Oh, it's got a little latch. Also has that in there. Oh, this is kind of interesting. So it's kind of like a hip bag, and you can like open it up, and then there's a little pocket inside. Really clean again, so that's exciting. Anyway, this is cute. I don't know anything about the brand, but it feels nice. Okay, so I am already happy with this box. So I thought I might be I thought the handbags might be a bad investment this time, because $9 per bag is a lot, but I am pretty happy. What is this? It's like a diaper bag. Could be a diaper bag. Anyway, Kalincum, New Orleans. Kalincum, Kalencom, New Orleans. It's right there. Okay. Oh, is this new with tags? Baby emergency care, so it is a diaper bag. Okay, so baby emergency care card. Oh, so you can like put all your numbers on there, relationship to the child, mom, dad, date of birth, baby's full name. Oh, and it has the physician and their allergies on it. That's nice. Really clean diaper bag. Yeah, there's the logo again. Well, that's nice. I do not have a baby, so I'll be keeping this. But yeah, really cute. I'm sorry, I keep looking I like handbags, so I keep looking them over. But yeah, that's fun. I have some inside, little pockets for some bottles. Okay, continue. Oh, this is cute. What is this? It has a little tennis ball. Is that a tennis ball? Okay, what am I doing? Oh, here it is. Okay, Tory Sport. Like, what's Tory Sport? Not like Tory Burch Sport, no. It's not the Tory Burch symbol. I don't know what Tory Sport is, but it's just like a little, could it be a crossbody? Maybe. It could be a crossbody or a shoulder bag, and Has like a little tennis ball here on the side. Would you stop chewing on that? That is not to chew. That's a cool, cute little bag. Obviously very sporty. Let's see. And it looks like it has a style number, so I can look that up. But again, in really good condition. These are really good condition bags. Man, did I get more than 10? I feel like I got more than 10. Anyway, so leather bag, little Hobo Shoulder Bag. This is by Steven by Steve Madden. Yeah, and it has like a snake print inside. A lot of snake print going on through here. But yeah, just a slouchy shoulder bag. I don't know how well their handbags do. Oh, but it is leather. 100% leather on the outside. It's kind of boho style with the fringe on the side. Okay. Another little bag. Oh, this is by Etienne. I don't know. How do you say this? Etienne Agner. Anyway, I think they sell these at Macy's, but I find these bags actually quite often and I never pick them up. It is a little crossbody, so it could do well. Oh, it's a little clutch. Look at this little clutch. This is a cute little clutch. And it is Lauren Merkin. I don't know who that is. I'm getting a lot of brands. I don't know what they are. Made in New York. Lauren Merkin. That's a cute little. Kind of looks like a Tracy Reed. No, Trina Turk tag, but it's not. Lauren Merkin. Again, inside is perfect. I'm really happy about this because I hate cleaning insides of bags and shoes. Anyway, but yeah, cute little clutch. I don't buy clutches though because, you know, I think they're good for like going out, but like you really, for me, going out means like I don't need to have anything in my position that I can just lay down and forget. Okay, last bag. This smells nice. I don't know what the brand is. What is the brand? Oh, it's Chico's. Okay. It does smell like really nice. Kind of got like a mock Chanel thing going on. Obviously not a Chanel bag. That'd be cool. But yeah, this is a shoulder bag. I wonder if this is leather. Like a textured material. I don't know. I think it's not leather. What does it say? Yeah, polyurethane out. But you know, this is cute. I don't know how well Chico's bags does, but they're not. But yeah, okay. I am really happy with these handbags. I mean, maybe not, but or at least I'm even happier once I figure out like a couple of these brands. But yeah, that's exciting. Let me go ahead and just count, make sure that I got 10 of them. Yeah, so I got 10 bags. I'm really excited about a couple of these bags and what I expect to get for them. But yeah, overall, I am very happy with this box. Very excited. More than likely, about 98% sure that I'll be making a profit on this. But yeah, this is really fun. These are, I'm not going to spoiler, but like, actually you've already seen the videos, but the 3 that I've already opened, yeah, I am very pleased. I am very pleased. My last video that I haven't received yet is the denim box. It should be coming in the mail, I think, or to be delivered on Tuesday. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps me here on YouTube. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more unboxing videos. If you want to see more reselling content and see the rest of the unboxing videos. Let me know if you guys have ever gotten one of these purse bags. I'll put my referral code for Thredup down at the bottom. But yeah, guys, I'm really excited about the bags. Yay. I also just really like bags. Okay, but thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.